10 rules of money every successful person follows. Welcome back to Your Finance Lab. If you've ever wondered what separates financially successful people from everyone else, the answer lies in their mindset and habits. There's no magic formula, but there are rules of money that successful people live by, and these rules guide every financial decision they make. In today's video, we'll break down the 10 golden rules of money that every successful person follows. These aren't just tips, they're foundational principles that can help you build wealth, make smarter decisions, and achieve financial independence. Stick around until the end because we've got a bonus rule that ties it all together. Let's get started. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. This might seem obvious, but it's the most important rule of all. No matter how much money you make, you'll never build wealth if you spend more than you earn. Successful people prioritize living within their means, no matter their income level. By saving and investing the difference, they create financial security and grow their wealth over time. Think of it this way, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep that matters. Actionable tips. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Create a budget that ensures your spending is always below your income. Set aside a percentage of your income for savings and investments before spending on discretionary items. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Successful people prioritize saving and investing before spending. This is called paying yourself first. They treat saving and investing like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. By doing this, they ensure their financial goals come first, rather than waiting to see what's left over at the end of the month. When you pay yourself first, you're building your future wealth, not just funding your current lifestyle. Actionable tips. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as your paycheck arrives. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, but start with a smaller percentage if needed and increase it over time. Use separate accounts for saving and spending to make it easier to stay disciplined. Rule 3. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can destroy your financial progress. Successful people avoid or pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible because they understand how much it costs over time. Instead, they focus on using debt strategically, for example, for investments or business growth. Debt isn't inherently bad, but mismanaging it can derail your financial goals. Always weigh the cost of borrowing against the potential benefits. Actionable tips. List all your debts, including balances and interest rates, and prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Avoid carrying a balance on credit cards by paying them off in full each month. Reevaluate loans and refinance if possible to secure lower interest rates. Rule 4. Invest early and consistently. Time is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Successful people understand the value of starting early and letting compound interest work in their favor. Even small, consistent investments can grow into substantial wealth over time. The key is to invest regularly, regardless of market conditions, and to take a long-term approach rather than trying to time the market. Actionable tips. Open an investment account and start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Set up automatic monthly contributions, even if it's a small amount. Focus on long-term growth and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Rule 5. Diversify your income streams. Successful people don't rely on a single source of income. They diversify through multiple streams such as investments, side hustles, rental income, or businesses. This approach reduces financial risk and creates more opportunities to build wealth. Having multiple income streams also provides stability. If one source dries up, the others can keep you afloat. Actionable tips. Identify skills or hobbies that you can monetize as a side hustle. Explore passive income opportunities such as dividend stocks or rental properties. Reinvest income from side projects or investments to grow your wealth even further. Rule 6. Know the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the process of earning interest on your initial investment as well as on the interest you've already earned. Successful people understand how to harness compound interest to grow their wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes, so don't wait to begin investing. Actionable tips. Use compound interest calculators to see how your money can grow over time. Start investing as early as possible, even if it's a small amount. Reinvest your earnings to maximize the power of compounding. Rule 7. Continuously learn about money. Financially successful people are lifelong learners. They read books, follow trends, and seek advice from experts to improve their financial knowledge. They know that staying informed helps them make better decisions and seize new opportunities. Whether it's understanding taxes, investments, or market trends, staying educated is key to financial success. Actionable tips. Dedicate time each month to learning about personal finance, whether through books, podcasts, or courses. Follow reputable financial blogs and channels like YourFinanceLab to stay updated. Apply what you learn immediately to reinforce your knowledge. Rule 8. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is important, but protecting it is equally crucial. Successful people use insurance, estate planning, and asset allocation to safeguard their wealth. They understand that unexpected events like accidents or lawsuits can jeopardize everything they've built. By taking steps to protect your wealth, you're ensuring that your financial foundation remains strong. Actionable tips. Review your insurance coverage to ensure it meets your needs. Create a will or trust to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and protect your portfolio. Rule 9. Focus on assets, not liabilities. Successful people focus on acquiring assets, things that generate income or appreciate in value, rather than liabilities, which take money out of their pockets. Assets include stocks, real estate, and businesses, while liabilities include unnecessary loans, luxury items, or depreciating assets. The more assets you build, the stronger your financial position becomes. Actionable tips. Prioritize purchases that add value to your financial portfolio, like investments or property. Avoid buying things you can't afford or don't truly need, especially if they depreciate quickly. Regularly evaluate your net worth to ensure you're building more assets than liabilities. Rule 10. Have a long-term plan. Building wealth takes time, and successful people always think long-term. They create financial plans that include saving for retirement, growing investments, and preparing for major life events. By focusing on the big picture, they avoid being distracted by short-term setbacks or temptations. Having a clear plan keeps you focused, motivated, and on track to achieve your goals. Actionable tips. Write down your short-term, mid-term, and long-term financial goals. Review your plan annually and make adjustments as needed. Work with a financial advisor if you need help creating or refining your plan. Bonus rule. Give back. Successful people understand the importance of giving back. Whether it's through charitable donations, mentoring others, or contributing to their communities, giving back creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It also reinforces a positive relationship with money, reminding you that wealth is a tool to create opportunities, not just for yourself, but for others. Actionable tips. Set aside a percentage of your income for charitable giving or community projects. Look for ways to mentor or support others in their financial journeys. Remember that generosity often leads to opportunities and connections that can benefit you in unexpected ways. These 10 rules of money are the foundation of financial success. By adopting them into your life, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term wealth, stability, and freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage, grow, and protect your money. Which rule resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips from YourFinanceLab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.